Hey guys, Casey Dimon here, TaxSaleAcademy.com with a quick tip for you guys today. When you're researching your tax defaulted real estate properties, when you're digging into the property appraiser's report, look at the sales and the transaction history. Figure out how often that property is being turned over. If the last time it was sold in 1970, that's probably not a bad property. But that property is selling every single year. Figure out why it's selling every single year. Could it potentially be because one person buys it and there's nothing they can do with it? There's no value there, so they resell it to somebody else, and then somebody else, and somebody else, over and over. Or even worse, is it what we call a frequent flyer at a tax sale auction? This is a piece of property where you'll see a turnover every 2 or 3 years. Somebody will buy it at a tax sale auction. They won't pay the taxes. They'll try to sell it. They can't sell it. They'll get foreclosed in 2 or 3 years, whatever your state allows. Then it goes through the process again. Somebody else buys it. They don't pay the taxes. They get foreclosed, can't sell it. It goes through it over and over and over. These are frequent flyers, and you obviously don't want these. Number one, they just have a bad stigma around them, right? But number two, they're probably worthless properties. So take a look at that ownership history. Figure out how often that property is turning over. See how many transactions there are as of late, and determine why and how this impacts you and how this reflects on the property. Because odds are, if properties turn over that many times, there's going to be something wrong with the property. Not every time, but if you see lots of turnover, if you see lots of transactions for a piece of property, dig in and determine why. That's your quick tip for today. For more information on tax sale investing, head on over to TaxSaleAcademy.com. While you're there, grab your free copy of my book, Tax Sale Playbook, and also click on Web Class at the very top, and we'll take you to our free web class training. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.